Understanding Facing a Bear Market, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase that you might have heard in the news or read in financial articles: facing a bear market. We'll break down what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in conversation. Whether you're interested in finance, looking to expand your vocabulary, or just curious, this video is for you. When we talk about facing a bear market, we're diving into the world of finance and economics. A bear market refers to a situation where stock prices are falling, and the overall sentiment in the stock market is pessimistic. This means investors believe that prices will continue to fall, which can lead to more selling and even lower prices. The phrase, facing, suggests confrontation or dealing with something directly. So, when someone says they're facing a bear market, they mean they are dealing with or preparing for a period where the stock market is expected to decline or is already declining. The term, bear market, has an interesting origin. It's believed to come from the way a bear attacks its prey, by swiping down. This movement is symbolic of how stock prices move in a bear market. They go down. The opposite of a bear market is a bull market, where prices are rising, named after how a bull attacks by thrusting its horns upward. You might use facing a bear market in discussions about investments, the economy, or personal finance planning. For example, with the economy slowing down, we might be facing a bear market soon. It's wise to review our investment strategies. Our company is facing a bear market, so we need to be cautious with our spending and investments. It's a phrase that adds depth to conversations about finance, showing an understanding of market trends and economic conditions. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the meaning of facing a bear market. We hope this video has shed light on this financial term and how you can use it in your English conversations. Understanding phrases like this not only helps you with language learning but also gives you insights into economic trends and how they affect us all. See you in our next video, and happy learning!